Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you cross multiplication method for solving pair of linear equations into variable. So remember, you are familiar with pair of linear equations into variable. So here we have general form. So remember, when you are going to use cross multiplication method, so you should be smart to understand whenever which method is to be used. So whenever a1 upon a2, that is what ratio of quotient of x should not be equals to ratio of quotient of y. That is what when you will there is possibility of getting unique solution. That time you have to use cross multiplication method. But sometimes they will mention the method. That time definitely you have to use the mentioned method. So very easy formula. No need to buy the formula. Just see the arrangement. Here you have to find out x and y. So write x, y and here 1. Next what you are going to write? Start with this quotient of y. b1, c1, a1. b1, c1, a1 and last same number you are going to write here. Similarly, below that b2, c2, a2, b2. Here in general form we have taken these notations, but in actual equations you will get what? Numbers here. Next what you have to do? X divided by, now the cross multiplication method starts. X upon what you have to do? The c2 into b1 or b1 into c2 you can write minus b2 into c2. Remember you have to start with RHS side, that is what from right side you have to start multiplying c2 into b1 you can take if you want c2 into b1 minus b2 into c1. This will be equals to y upon, leave this column. Next again below y there will be what? 4 numbers. From right side you have to start a2 c1 minus c2 a1. Next read this column. Now concentrate on this 1 upon b2 a1 minus a2 b1, and this is what formula to get what? Cross multiplication method. So now let us start with examples. So you can see here, first of all you have to check whether they are written in general form or not. So here we can write this as what? X plus y minus 14 equals to 0. That is what? a1x plus b1y plus c1 form. That is next is x minus y minus 4. C you are going to take this side equals to 0. Now you know that here a1 is 1, a2 is, b1 is 1 and c1 is minus 14. So you can write those numbers or you can take directly. So we will start with first step x, y and 1. Below that what you have to write? b1, c1, a1 and then b1. So these two you can write later. So first we'll write this. So here what is a1, b1 you can write down if you want. Here it will be a1, this is b1, this is c1, this is a2, b2 quotient I am writing, and this is c2. So we have to write b1, c1, a1. So what is here b1? b1 is a quotient of, remember b1 we have to write quotient of y. Nothing is there means 1. Here minus 14. Then quotient of x is 1. Then again this b you are going to repeat here. Similarly take here b2, that is minus 1, c2 that is minus 4. Next a2 is 1 and again you have to write the same number whatever you are taken here, minus 1. So this is our first arrangement. Now just you have to cross multiply. So x upon what? You have to cross multiply like this. So minus 4 into 1 is 1. Subtract product of these two. 14 ones are 14. Minus minus is plus. This will be equals to, forget this column. Now concentrate on this. Y upon cross multiply. 1 14s are 14 minus 14. Subtract product of these two. That is minus 4. Remember, this is the sign of subtraction. This sign of subtraction, it has own sign. Divided by 1 upon these two product. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Subtract product of these two. 1 ones are 1. So what we'll get here? X upon, if you solve this, we'll get minus 18 equals to y upon 14. Minus minus will be plus. Minus 14 plus 4 will be minus 10 equals to 1 upon minus minus will be plus. So you'll get what? Minus 2. Now you're going to find the value of x and y here. So I would like to equate this x upon minus 18 to, you can equate to y or you can equate to this. But if you equate to y, again you have to find this. So as there are numbers, so I will use this upon minus 2. Find for x. X will be what? 18 will go there. Or you can cancel these minus signs on both the sides. So this will be 18 divided by 2. So x will be what here? 2 ones are 2 nines are. Here x is 9. Similarly, I am going to find out y. Y upon minus 10 equals to 1 upon minus 2. Minus on either side will get cancelled. 10 will go this side. So it will come upside and divided by 2. So y will be 5. You can verify the values of x and y by putting in either this or this equation. I would like to use equation 1 for verification of LHS and RHS. Here x is 9 and y is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. So here whatever values of x and y you have calculated are exactly the unique and true. If you like my explanation, do like and subscribe my channels.